Hello dear students, today I am starting your basics of computer system, and this video is especially designed for class 6 to 8 students. And in this video we are focusing on the basics of computer, means computer is made up of which parts. So mainly we can say, here I have already written on the board, you can see computer is mainly divided into two parts. First part is called hardware and second one is software. Now one by one we will see what is the basic difference between hardware and software. So first we will see hardware. Hardware means what? Hardware means the things which we can touch as well as we can see. मतलब जिन चीज़ों को हम देख सकते हैं और छू भी सकते हैं. These are called hardware, like monitor, printer, computer devices, CPU. So you can see here we are describing the classification of hardware. Means hardware is again divided into four parts. First part is input device, second is output device, third is CPU, and fourth is memory. These are the basic components of computer. And we can say hardware and software are complementary of each other, because without software your computer will not work. मतलब हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर एक ही साइकिल के दो पहिए की तरह हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट सी व्हाट आर इनपुट डिवाइस. सो इनपुट डिवाइस जो कंप्यूटर को यूज़र इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम लोग देते हैं बाय यूजिंग कीबोर्ड माउस, मतलब इन सिंपल फॉर्म वी कैन से दीज आर कॉल्ड इनपुट डिवाइस. मीन्स इनपुट डिवाइस आर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस और कमांड which are given to the computer by the user. Example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, barcode reader, etc. You know very well keyboard is used for typing, mouse used for clicking, joystick is a hardware device which is used for playing games, and barcode reader nowadays you can see in the mall. When you visit to mall or purchase anything, you can see there is a device for checking the validation of the rate, what is the price cost. So the vendor click on that device by using barcodes. Barcode are the, we can say, the lines, the vertical bars which is printed on the back of your book. You can see the vertical lines, black lines, these are called barcodes. You can see at the back of your book. Now next is output device. Output devices are the devices by which user can give any command to the computer and he will get the desired result after processing. Means output में जो भी डेटा हम कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं प्रोसेसिंग होने के बाद, that is called output. So these are the examples: printer, monitor, plotter, speaker, etc. So printer is a hardware device by which we can get printout, and printed copy is called hard copy. Monitor is the example, we can see anything on the monitor, computer screen. We can also listen songs by using a speaker. So next one is CPU. CPU is called very important unit. It is the full form is central processing unit, and it is called the brain of the computer. Actually CPU is called microprocessor and it is in the chip form. Nowadays companies are providing very compact CPU, मतलब बहुत ही छोटे CPU आजकल मार्केट में बनने लगे हैं जो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी पे आ रहे हैं, जैसे Core i3, Core i5, Core i7. They are having very high speed, but problem is that these are very costly processors. So everyone cannot afford it. So sometimes we are using dual core processor in place of that. If you want to run internet on your computer system, you can use dual core processor, quad core processor, such type of processors in low cost. And fourth one is memory. This is a very important term. जैसे हम लोगों के पास भी बेटा मेमोरी होती है ब्रेन में, हम लोग सोचते कैसे हैं, तो कंप्यूटर कैन ऑल्सो हैव द मेमोरी चिप and the bits. So we can say memory is a very important part which is used to store the data in the computer hard disk. Means कंप्यूटर में जो डेटा स्टोर होता है वो आपका कहाँ पे स्टोर होता है, मेमोरी में. नाउ मेमोरी इज ऑफ अगेन टू टाइप्स, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. प्राइमरी मेमोरी इज अगेन ऑफ डिवाइडेड टू टाइप्स, रैम एंड रोम. रैम, द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रैम इज रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. It is a temporary memory. And ROM, ROM is, these both are volatile memory, means data has lost when computer power is switched off. So we can say these are called the example of volatile memory. And the next is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called permanent memory, and it is made up of magnetic device. For example, hard disk, floppy disk. You know very well floppy disk is outdated nowadays. In place of floppy disk we are using pen drives. आपने देखा होगा आजकल एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में डेटा ट्रांसफ़र के लिए हम लोग पेन ड्राइव का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ पेन ड्राइव कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 4 GB, 8 GB, 16, 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB. And hard disk is made up of magnetic material. So we can say nowadays commonly used hard disk are of 320 GB, 500 GB, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte hard disks, and these are made up of magnetic material. So dear students, these are all the details of your hardware parts. So this video is very important for class 6 to 8 students.